Welcome to the 2025 WebPathLab Update Summary. We begin by logging into WebPathLab and landing in the My Cases page. We have added several icons and features to this page to give the user a bird's eye view of the status of each case regarding patient history, case urgency, status of ordered special stains, and additional column for more case information. The first update feature has to do with the patient history for each case. We have three icons. The MUL question mark for multiple means there are other cases with the same date of birth but have not been matched. The HIS for history means that a match has been made with previous cases, and the green dotted line means that there are no previous cases. Case information. We can now mark cases as stacked. We can also show the billing type of certain cases and display any important note to the pathologist or staff. We have added two special stain icons. A letter S with a blue background for ordered special stain, and a letter C with a purple background for completed stains. These icons let the pathologist know when special stains have been ordered and when they are completed, meaning the reference lab report is available to read, or the glass slides have been received and are ready to be reviewed. We are going to manually accession a new case, and we will show the ability to automatically add special stains based on the specimen source as part of the lab's protocol. For example, if the specimen source is toe, the system automatically orders a PAS fungus, IHC stain. It can also order a panel of stains. The user can always uncheck the stain so as not to order it. The lab has full control of what stains are ordered during the accessioning process. We submit the specimen information, and we go to see case management, slide labels, and we select a case. The system generates two D-bar-coded labels for each stain and one for the requisition form or any other document. With this document label, they can be attached to the rec form, scanned, and our Auto Image Uploader module will automatically upload that image to the server and attach it to the corresponding case. Each slide label also has a unique barcode. If there are two H and E stains, one will say S1 for slide 1 and the other S2. This is important when using our new specimen tracking system and when digitizing slide labels for digital pathology. We now access the cassette labels page. We select three cases and we click on the Generate Cassette Labels button. This action downloads a text file into a folder accessible by the cassette labeler, which immediately uses that information to print the selected cassettes containing the following information: 2D barcode, the cassette color, accession number, specimen, block number, and the patient's name. We also have greatly streamlined the accessioning process for electronic orders. That is a bidirectional HL7 interface. An order comes in with an E for electronic prefix. The user accesses the full accession, quickly verifies the information to the rec form, and goes to the prefix change page. Here the user selects the permanent prefix for this order and clicks on the Submit All button. The system changes the prefix to the selected accession number and opens the specimen description page with all the information sent in the electronic order. The user can update the number of blocks, slides, or cassette color, and then click Submit and Close. The system then updates the information and opens the slide labels for that case. The document labels can be printed at this point and attached to the paperwork for scanning, and the slide labels can be printed now or later depending on the lab's particular process. The window is closed, and then the Download Cassette Labeler File button is clicked to print the corresponding cassettes. Another feature we have added is to prevent the staff from repeatedly accessing the full accession to make sure all the needed information for that case has been entered, such as payer information. Once all the information has been verified, the user marks the accession as complete, and an icon of a letter F in a red background icon appears on the My Cases page next to that case. Again, the purpose is to let the staff know that all the information in the full accession is complete, and there is no need to keep checking it. We have also improved efficiency in the transcription page by using our new Rapid Results feature. This feature allows the user to enter the diagnosis, the microscopic findings, and a comment, all in the same operation by selecting one mnemonic. Each lab has full control in building these new dictionaries. The biggest update is our new special stain ordering module that essentially works like a shopping cart, as with Amazon. We select Order Stain, and the shopping cart page opens up. The user can select the sample and the block number from which to order that stain, and then select a panel which shows all the available panels, or a test category for individual stains. In this case, we select IHC and we enter MELAN as we select Melon A. We click the Add button, and the order is placed in the shopping cart as a pending order. We forgot to enter special instructions, so we can delete that order and re-enter it again, but this time we enter technical only in the special instructions field. We submit the pending order, and this completes the transaction for that order. If we access the stain log and select special stains and we request stains ordered from May 15th, 2025, only cases with those orders appear. We select S25-0004 and click View Selected. The stain log for that appears showing all dates such as date of service, date it was received and date it was ordered along with the stain, and the special instructions. Typically, this list can be run on a daily basis or even weekly basis, showing multiple cases. We change our from date to May 10th, 2025, and we select all the available cases, and a list of all ordered stains from that period is displayed. The user can export this list to Excel for further manipulation and study. Also available are the combined stain logs as well as the H and E logs. We now access the stain requisitions forms, and these are forms generated to be sent along with the blocks in place of manually filling out the paper forms for each reference lab. This is particularly helpful when the order is sent electronically to places such as Neogenomics. The name of the reference lab for each stain can be entered into the database, so when these forms are generated, they are all ready to go with all the patient and clinical order information. If we go back to the My Cases page, we will see that case S25-4 now has the S icon indicating that a special stain has been ordered. Next, we access the stain completion page where we can mark any ordered stain as completed. We select Melon A for case S25-4 and mark it as completed. If we go back to the My Cases page, we see that the S is now a C for completed. This tells the pathologist that the case is ready for final review. Thank you for watching, and this concludes the summary of the updates to WebPathLab.